Jason Academy. Social Science, Class 7. Geography, Lesson 1. Our Environment, Natural and Human. Hello everyone. Hope all of you are safe and fine at your home. Today, in this video, we are going to start our Geography Lesson 1, that is, our environment, natural and human. Let's start the chapter. Environment means the natural world, for example, the land, the air and water, in which people, animals and plants live. Environment consists of living and non-living things. The environment consists of all non-living and inorganic matter such as land, air and water are called physical or abiotic components. And the environment consists of all living things like plants and animals are called biological or biotic components. Both biotic and abiotic components interact each other to produce favorable conditions for man to live on the earth. The study of environment is called ecology. People like to live according the environment. That's why we study about environment. People often like to live in such place where climatic condition is favorable, land is fertile and have well-developed means of transport and communication, whereas very few people like to live in deserts, mountainous, hot places. In this chapter, there are two main topics to be covered. First one, dynamic environment, and second is environmental problem. So, let's focus on first topic, that is dynamic environment. Dynamic environment. Changes take place in environment continuously. Any change in the physical environment brings a change in the biological environment and vice versa. Due to change in environment, many animals and plants have become extinct. Similarly, many of them have become endangered. Changes brought by natural disasters like earthquakes, volcanoes, floods, droughts are sudden. The movement of water and air brings about changes in climatic conditions and humans, plants and animals adapt to the environment accordingly. All forms of life are found in the narrow zone of contact between air, water and land. This zone is called the biosphere. Changes in the atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere cause change in the biosphere. For example, due to different types of soil, land and climatic conditions, there are different species of plant and animals on the earth. This shows biodiversity. Dynamic means anything that causes movement. In environment, there is continuous changes. Any change in physical environment brings a change in the biological environment. Many plants and animals have become extinct due to these changes. Natural disasters like earthquake, floods, volcano are sudden, and these changes have become endangered. Climatic conditions are changed due to water and air movement. All forms of life are found in the narrow zone of contact between air, water and land is called biosphere. Due to different types of soil, land and climatic conditions, there are different species of plants and animals on the earth, which shows biodiversity. Environmental problems. Due to different types of pollution like air, water, land, noise and radioactive pollution, our environment is facing depletion. There is harmful effect on our environment due to global warming and hole in ozone layer. To meet the increasing need of the population, forests were cut down for firewood, construction and furniture. The destruction of forests has deprived the animals of their natural habitat. Moreover, they have been killed for food, entertainment and animal products like skin, bones, meat, teeth, etc. Depletion of resources adversely affect our environment. Early humans lived in harmony with nature, but with the advancement of science and technology, Rapid industrialization and spread of agriculture and overpopulation resulted clearing of forest land. Lumbering and mining became unsustainable with the passage of time, thus accelerating the process of environmental degradation. An increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the air has led to big global warming. Let's cover the second topic, which is environmental problem. Depletion is caused due to different types of population. The major environmental problems are global warming, ozone layer, depletion, acid rain, overpopulation, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity. Due to these problems, there is harmful effect on environment. Forests are cut down for firewood, construction and furniture, and this destruction has snatched animals' natural habitats. Moreover, they are killed for food, entertainment and animals' products. Every people live in harmony with nature, but due to development in science and technology, rapid industrialization and overpopulation resulted to clear the forest land. Global warming is increased due to increment in carbon dioxide. Global warming is defined as the rising average temperature of the atmosphere of the earth as well as the oceans. Depletion of resources harmed the physical and biological environment. Human beings overuse the earth's resources indiscriminately without taking adequate steps to counter the dangers involved in doing so. In addition to the environmental problems caused by humans, natural hazards caused havoc in the physical environmental calamities like earthquake, tsunamis, volcanic eruption, landslides, floods, hurricanes and droughts. Risk and damage both life and property. Depleting the natural resources will harm the natural in all the way. Human beings are overusing the natural resources without having the adequate or proper steps of conserving the natural environment. We should protect our environment for present generation and future generation. Environment provides us air, water, land and other resources like wood, fuel, minerals and energy. Industrial and economic development of our country depends upon raw material provided by the natural resources. We should do sustainable development in our country. It means we should conserve resources. We can also avoid and reduce all types of pollution. Survival of humans, plants and animals depend upon environment. That is why we do celebrate the World Environmental Day on 5th June every year. So here we have completed our chapter. I hope all of you have understood our environment chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.